Hello everyone! Okay, today we're going to be doing a unboxing video. Now I should mention, in the name ARpedia, the AR stands for augmented reality. So that's the really cool addition to the traditional paper content. Okay, let's pull out this little box. Look at that. Let's pull Spotty out. Now I can see why it's named Spotty. The very cute spots all over its neck. Hold this up so you can, okay. I see a power button. I see some cable ports. Pretty simple, alrighty. Now you can see on the bottom here, very important that we remove this little protective film so that the lens can read the books in the future. In the back of the box here, there's the cables for Spotty. Now there should be two cables. We have one long cable. Now this cable is the power cable. Pretty simple. It looks like it will connect on the back side and then go to your outlet, whatever outlet you're using. And the second cable, keeping it nice and simple, is short cable. Short cable will connect from Spotty to your device. Now, both these cables are C-type cables. So that means that if your device is not C-type compatible, it will still work with your own cables, as long as one end is a USB, or you may need an adapter. I'm gonna set these over here. Oh, fun fact. Spotty won the Red Dot Design Award in 2021. I'm telling you, pretty fantastic little giraffe. Let's look at what else is in the box. We have 10 books in here. Now, these 10 books are from the first series called Into the Curiosity Cube. As of right now, ARpedia has released 2 complete series, Into the Curiosity Queue, and their second one called Into the Community. Really cool note, Spotty is compatible with all ARpedia books. So that means that in the future, all you need to purchase are the books, or a single book, and then its accompanying markers. You don't have to worry about purchasing Spotty multiple times. That's good. So, the 10 books of Into the Curiosity Queue are accompanied by, as I mentioned, these markers. Now, there's, I believe, 19 thick sheets of paper in these markers. And that's because these 10 books need 50 of these markers. That's a lot of markers. That's a lot of content. The way these markers work, which we'll demonstrate in the future, the near future, that they are the interactive piece, the AR part of this whole system that works with Spotty, and then your child can interact with the content on their device and the content of the book. It's actually quite difficult, but it's really easy, just like so. It reminds me of like a model airplane kit when you have to just pop off the pieces, exactly the same. We'll stop for now with the markers. And the last piece, Into the Curiosity Queue coloring marker. So these, I'm gonna call them unique or special markers. Unlike these ones, these special ones are blank, which means your child, or whoever is using these, I might do it in the future, can color the markers themselves. And the next step is to get into setup. Setup is quite easy, so don't worry about that. I know sometimes it can be a hassle, but this one, nice and smooth. Okay.